Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Center County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Clinton County in north central Pennsylvania, northeastern Julietta County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, southern Union County in central Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Stanbridge State Park to Lower Open Center to Snyder Midwest Ward State Park, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts of any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sealands Grove, Mifflinburg, Carroll, Woodward, Hummel's Wharf, Middleburg, McAllisterville, McClure, Mülheim, Creamer, Fort Trevor, and Penns Creek. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Loganton and Mile Run exits, specifically from mile markers 190 to 197. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties: Center, Clinton, Julietta, Mifflin, Snyder, and Union. The national weather includes areas between the Lewisburg, Williamsport, and Nescotic exits, specifically from mile markers 211 to 247. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 81 from mile markers 129 to 139. Interstate 180 from mile markers 1 to 3. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Columbia, Montour, Northumberland, Schuylkill, Snyder, and Union. Hampton, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hanover, Michaelstown, Red Lion, Spry, Dallastown, Hampton, West York, Cadorus, Grantley, Tyler Run and Queens Gate, Lake Mead, and Spring Grove. This includes Interstate 83 from mile markers 6 to 15. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in State College, Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties: Adams and York. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River until 5:15 p.m. At 3:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near National Harbor, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, for greater and large hail. Source, history of product in quarter to half dollar-sized hail. Impact. Suddenly high winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Hail may damage your vessel. Locations impacted include Choptank River, Knapp's Narrows Bridge, Herring Bay, Silver Island, Blackwood Point, North Beach, and Chesapeake Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware until 5 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Charlestown or near Havre, Delaware Grace, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Newark, Middletown, Salem, Delaware City, St. George's, Mount Pleasant, Glasgow, Bear, Port Penn, Hope Creek, Townsend, Odessa, and Chambersville. This includes Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 0 and 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware. Floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. for the following county: Cecil, Maryland. National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Upper Delaware Bay until 5 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Northeast River, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Sea Breeze, Ship John Shoal Light, Patch Island, and Reedy Point. Rock, Jacobus, Delta, Crossroads, Railroad, York Airport. Radar has indicated rotation within a severe thunderstorm. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop quickly during severe thunderstorms. Interstate 83 for mile marker 0211. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: York, Pennsylvania. 60 miles per hour with gusts and maple-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Willow Street, Leola, Paradise, Strasburg, Gap, Leacock, Lampeter, Atlan, Intercourse, Christiana, and Georgetown. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Lancaster, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, southern Salem County in southern New Jersey, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Pleasant, or near Middletown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Vineland, Millville, Ribston, Greenwich, Shiloh, Newport, Hancock's Bridge, Newport Meadows, Hope Creek, Fairton, Shadarville, Rosenhain, and Seabrook Farms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Cumberland and Salem.
I really feel to pray for mental conditions to.
Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, southern Salem County in southern New Jersey, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Pleasant, or near Middletown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact,
Minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Bonham, Millville, Richmond, Greenwich, Shiloh, Newport, Hancock Bridge, Newport Meadows, Hope Creek, Fenton, Shadawville, Rosenhain, and Seabrook Farms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Cumberland, and Salem.
Posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page or using Twitter at Wakefield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Dorchester, and Wicomico.